Hello, welcome. It is great to have you. My hope is that you are joining me today to learn more about how you can make a difference in the world, how you too can become a member of a profession that inspires others and is meaningful, and how you can fulfill the desire to make an impact and be the change. My name is Annette Pijuan Hernandez, and I am the Academic Program Director for the Elementary and Secondary Teacher Education Program's Traditional Pathway. I can honestly say, as a proud alumna of LMU, not once, but twice, that LMU and the School of Education helped me become the teacher and leader I wanted to be. They truly helped me be the change. Teaching is one of the most important professions. Teachers touch the lives of almost every child in this country. Teachers introduce students to new worlds, new knowledge, new skills, and new possibilities. The relationships teachers build with their students are transformative, but not just for the students, but for their families, their communities, and for teachers themselves. The traditional teacher education program is a combined Master of Arts and credential program. This means you will earn either a combined elementary education master's degree and multiple subjects teaching credential, or a secondary education master's degree and single subject teaching credential in a subject matter discipline of your choice. The 35-unit program is completed in approximately 2 years. In the traditional pathway, students complete their required clinical practice over the course of the 2-year program through a variety of fieldwork and student teaching experiences. These experiences are completed at an elementary school site if you are pursuing the multiple subjects credential, and similarly at a secondary school site if you are pursuing the single subject credential. Over the course of your clinical practice experiences, we will assign you to different school sites and grade levels to provide you with varying experiences that span the age group authorized in the credential. These on-site experiences begin with the first course in the program. By completing the program, students are well prepared with the knowledge and skills to be effective in the classroom and be the change. While the average turnover of teachers leaving the profession is 2 years, our School of Education graduates remain in the classroom and often pursue additional merits. I attribute our graduates' longevity in the classroom to our expert faculty that engage students with rigorous curriculum and dialogue, as well as early field experiences that bridge theory and practice and provide opportunities to implement the theories and content being learned in class. District and school partners contact me regularly with requests for graduates to fill upcoming and available positions. Time and time again, principals and superintendents will share that our students are well prepared and truly have the knowledge, skills, and dispositions to make an impact in the classroom, school, and broader communities on their first day of teaching. I truly am excited at the possibility of supporting you on this life-changing endeavor. Till then, be well and stay safe.